Okay, I'm Pookie, and I love their coffee, and I feel like I can be myself, and I don't have to be anybody else. I can do what I want to do. Not like that, but I can be who I want to be, and this place has good coffee.
This place has awesome people.
Beautiful.
When I first came here, I only had one friend, and that was Mercy. After a while, I started coming here more, and I've got everyone's like my friends, and the coffee is really good and amazing, and I actually love it because you can just be yourself and have fun. I love the people here.
It has good coffee.
Inman Street is really cool.
And stuff.
Yeah.
This coffee shop means family. And family means tradition.